All right, so here's another problem that we've done in the past. Again, all they want you to find here is a y equals mx plus b. And I think most of us did these two when we did it in class together to figure out that this is changing by 5 and this is changing by, I don't even remember, 177.50 minus 146.25, 31.25. Now, obviously, that's not anything on here yet. What I need to do is to find the slope. I need my rise over rungs. Thank you, Carson. And I end up getting 31.25 divided by 5, which is 6.25. So I'm going to take that 6.25 and plug it into the slope to find my y-intercept. Now, here's the thing that I said was really, really tough. You're not going to go back by 5. You're not going to go back by 6. You could go back by 1 a couple times. And if I'm going to go back by 1 on one side, how much am I going to go back on the other? Obviously 6.25 because that's my slope. How many times would I have to go back by 1 though if I'm starting at 7? I'd have to go 7 times, which does not really sound fun. So what I could do, my shortcut, is I could go back by 7. But if I wanted to go back by 7, what I would have to do is I would have to figure out what 6.25 7 times is. 6.25 7 times is just times 7, which is 43.75. So let's take 108.75 and go minus 43.75. To get 65. So 0, 65. So I'm going to plug 65 in right there. So now the rest of this question asks, explain how to use your equation to determine the amount of money originally in the box. So it's usually asking about slope or y-intercept. So if it's asking here, how much is in it originally, it's not how much it's changing, it's how much is in it originally. That's going to be your 65. How did we know that? It's the y-intercept. So that's what I would have said down on those lines. Something along the lines of it's the y-intercept.